There's drama at the Supreme Court. It's subtle, but the justices are throwing shade at each other.
This all stems from the groundbreaking ruling that was announced just today, which upheld or confirmed as legal the Tennessee law banning transgender healthcare for minors. The Tennessee law banned things like providing puberty blockers, hormone therapy, or gender-affirming surgeries to minors if they were being used for gender identity purposes. But the law still allows for these things to be used for strictly medical purposes, like endocrine or hormone dysfunction.
3 families sued over the law, with the ACLU and Biden administration joining the suit, alleging that it was sex-based discrimination in violation of the Equal Protections Clause.
The case eventually made its way all the way up to the Supreme Court, where the court controversially applied a rational basis review, which is complicated but heavily favors the state's autonomy to make its own laws.
The court held that Tennessee had a sufficient interest in protecting minors to justify the law, and that the law didn't discriminate on the basis of sex, but on the basis of medical procedures. The vote was split 6-3, with all conservatives voting in favor of the law and all liberals voting against it.
This is a hugely important ruling because many states have laws like this or are trying to pass similar laws, which are now presumptively legal.
As for the drama, it all started during oral argument, where it was reported that the justices were really just arguing over each other.
Sometimes the lawyers presenting the case were hardly even involved, with the justices just making their own points. And then Justice Sotomayor authored a very long and scathing dissent, which she actually read aloud from the bench.
Which is a rare move and signaled that she was pissed. She argued that the Tennessee law clearly discriminated on the basis of sex, because whether a child was able to receive something like testosterone replacement boiled down to the sex they were assigned at birth. Finally, the most subtle but perhaps most impactful of all, Sotomayor ended her dissent like this, saying just, "I dissent." You might not know what's missing here, but justices almost always say, "I respectfully dissent." And her choice here to remove respectfully signaled that she was profoundly pissed with the ruling.